We're on our way back to the cliff jumps this weekend. And this guy's going to the snowmobiling race at the same time. Good day for the cliffs, eh?
Gonna be fun.
Alright. Alright, we are back at the cliffs with the kayaks, and this fool won't let me go home, so here we are going to the cliffs.
Okay, so we just got back to this cliff. We're here early today. Justin's right there, he's just taking a pee. The water is way warmer than we thought it would be.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So we're pretty excited. This is what we're about to jump. We think it's about 25, 28 feet. We think this is about 40-ish feet. We're gonna hit that after, and then beyond that, it just goes up and up and up. 3, 2, 1. Oh, so clean, bro. Three, two, one, send it!
You get it? You videoing?
Here we go.
We finished jumping because it's freezing and getting late. It's probably like 5:30, unfortunately. 6. We got an hour drive home too. Braylon just hit this massive cliff. Dude, it's huge. Over that plant or what? Alright, we kayaked a decent ways from those cliffs so far. We gotta get back to those cars. So we're probably about halfway. Gotta get back to it.